Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Diane and I hope you're all okay. So let's get to it. Hi guys, got a bit of a mini haul. Full disclosure, I did not pay for any of these goods. They were sent to me free of charge for me to do an unboxing video, which I'm doing now, and then followed by 2 more videos doing a demonstration of some of the goods that are in here. They are resin moulds, which is obvious because that's what I always get, but it's Beebeecraft.com is where they're from. They do a YouTube program for channels with, as long as you have at least 100 subscribers, which is great for small channels like myself and many of you out there. You can sign up and work with them if you want to. So let's start with the unboxing, and all the details will be linked in the description below. There is also a 10% discount, and I'll leave all details for that below as well in the description box. All links for all products will also be there, and they are links specially so they know that you've come from me. If you are interested in any of these moulds, I'd appreciate if you could click on the links below, and they will let the Beebeecraft know that you have seen these products on my video. So let's get started with the unboxing. Okay, first up is a little kit. When I ordered this, I didn't realise it was a kit. I just thought it was getting the mould, so I was quite shocked when I opened this and seen this. But these are amazing. They're really cute. So you get 7 moulds. Let's move that. There's what was it, like a house kind of thing? Not sure. A castle. Excuse a little bits, it's just bits of flakes from the stuff in here. I'm guessing that's like a money bag, but you could also use it as a cauldron. You get a heart. There's like a boba tea mug kind of thing. There's like a, is it Yakult, the yogurt pot drinks, the good bio, I don't know, the Yakult pots, I can't remember what they're called. But there's that one, and then the last one is like a little Game Boy. Not sure which way it goes up, but yeah, that way, sorry, because if we look inside you can see there's little hearts. And the idea of these is once you've set them, these will form, the little gaps will form the walls, and you'll put like maybe a little ball bearing or something in there, and the aim is to get from one heart to the other, and that's the same on all of them. So there's a heart there, and where's the other heart? Ooh, I can't see it. Oh, it's right down there. So there's one there and there, but that's on all of them. There and there. I won't show all of you, but anyway, that's the moulds. Let's pop those there. Then you also get a packet of, I think it's 10 pipettes, and also this one comes with 10 of these like clear spoon stirrer things, which I think is going to be really useful for like when I'm mixing in smaller pots. Much better than using popsicle sticks, which being wooden, they have a tendency of can cause air bubbles. So that's those. Then you also get a 100ml mixing pot, silicone mixing pot. Never have too many of those. You also get the little finger things. Then you get 10 sheets of the shaker, what's it called, shaker film. So this is a lot stronger than the acetate that I used before. And then you also get a pack of these, there's 12 nail foils, lots of colours, which I'm sure they'll look really cool. So that's that pack. So next up we have another kit. Again, didn't realise this was a kit, thought it was just the moulds that I was getting for this. So again we get, well, this one's a little bit different. Again, we get 10 of the pipettes. You get, I have already checked how many of these there are, so that's how I know how many there are. So you get 10 pipettes, 5 of these type stirrer spoon things, and then 5 of these really small thin sturdy popsicle stick things. Then there's 3 moulds to this one. Well, there's 6 altogether, but you'll see what I mean in a minute. Again, you get finger things, another 100ml mixing pot, silicone mixing pot, and another packet of the flakes. And these, there's 3 different sizes: small, medium, large. And these are absolutely adorable. I just had to get them. What they are, can you see there? They're literally little like paint tubes. They're in 2 pieces. So to work with them, you click them together. Obviously you'll need something to hold them together because they're not staying together. I've had moulds like this before, and I've just put a bit of tape around, and that works quite fine. Then you get another 2-piece mould, which is the paint that's squirting out, which I think is absolutely adorable. Each of the moulds are slightly different, obviously, because they are different sizes, but the paint bit is all the same for all 3 of them. So I'll just quickly get those out so you can see what they look like. So that's the one side, that's the other side, and that's inside of the meat. That's the large, and this is the medium. So basically that's a full tube, that's an almost empty tube, and this is a just started to be used tube. But I just think they were so cute. So there's that side and that side, oops, and then inside. So I'm really looking forward to playing with these. Right, next up is just a small mould. But what I liked about this is they're just cute little raindrop shapes. No idea what I'm going to do with them yet. Well, I have some ideas, but it'll be a test to see if my idea works. But yeah, I just thought that was really cute. Maybe put them on a picture or something, and I don't know. Well, I'm sure I'll come up with something for them. But I just, like I say, I just thought they were something different. Right, now this one, or the next two, the next 2 items, which are the last 2 items, they do bulk amounts as well, as you can buy some of them singly items like the things we've just seen, or as kits. But then they do items where there's like from 2 up to 5, say, maybe more. I don't know, there might be more. I'm assuming they do that for if you're a reseller and you want to sell the moulds. But this came as a pack of 2. I got a pack of 2 because I wanted this mould so badly, but I couldn't find it as a single, so I just opted to get the 2, and then I'm going to keep one aside and do a giveaway for that and one of the next moulds. But this one is, excuse the noise, is a big hefty chunky thing. It's a dragon, like a sleeping dragon curled up. He's absolutely adorable. So I've wanted this mould for so long, but just couldn't justify actually buying it from the places I've seen it at. Oh, a little bit loose. So yeah, when I seen this, I was like, oh, I so want that, so I got it. And the last, I thought I was ordering 1, not paying attention, but apparently this was actually a pack of 5 of these moulds. So you get 5 of exactly the same thing in this pack. But what they are little cacti, whichever you want to call them. and they have little holes on the back, so that once you've filled them up and demolded them, these little holes are perfect for putting a magnet in, and they turn into fridge magnets. I think it was absolutely adorable. What I like about these as well is you can, because they'll stand up like that and you fill them from the top, you can fill up the cactus with the colour that you want it, and then you can have the pot separate, which I much prefer, because I do have some other moulds where they're flat back and I had to struggle to work out a way to make the cactus and the pot different colour. I did it, but it was a bit of a faff. So yeah, this is really cool. So yeah, that's everything. Again, like I say, this was a pack of 5. Again, it seems like a really great way for smaller channels to be able to get some products to work with on their channel, to hopefully get some more people to come along and watch. So again, I'll put all the descriptions in the description box below. All links for the products will be down there too, and there will also be a 10% off the whole order, which I will link in the description below as well, and all links to the YouTube program is down there as well, and I will put prices on the screen so you can see them all. So thank you for watching, hope to see you soon, and we'll get playing with these as soon as possible. So bye, thanks for watching, bye.